people. Short interruption, short video. See this thing? I wheelied it. This thing went up to here. It went so high, and you know how? I kicked this down. I kicked the back of my seat so it pushes the weight to the back. And then it just... Now I'm going to see if I can set this up a certain way. Yeah, you can see me wheelies. I'll be right back. I gotta stop this. There you go, folks. Wheelies with a lawn tractor, and that always pops every time when it's done. Don't worry, it's what it does. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.